Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set an agreement expiration date for your document on DocuSign. Go ahead and click an agreement, and wherever you have those documents, you can go ahead and you can set the expiration. I'm going to go ahead and choose this document that I'm working on here, or this agreement. It's currently in draft. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click and continue on the left here. Once you're in this editing mode, look to the upper right and click on advanced options, and you will be able to find the expiration section. Here's expiration section, and by default it is set to 120 days, and you can change this, right? So you can say days until envelope expired, and you can just choose. It says custom, and you can say 30 days, for example, if you want to switch that, right? Or if you want to set the custom days. The reason why the custom days is there is because you can specify it. So let's say the max right here is 60 days, but you want yours to say, let's say 65 days, for example. You can set that like that, right? And as you can see, it's changed. But if you want to use the, let's say, some default days like 30 days maximum, you can set that as well. And send alert, you can say send alert is going to send in the coming days or 1 days before or something like that, right? You can set that. So you can say, okay, I'm going to set it for 15 days before, and you can set it like that. Then click and save. And that's it. That's how to set an expiration date on your agreement documents on DocuSign.